Hey everyone, it's me, Eric Kimball, out here standing not in my garden, but in my stone driveway. And I'm going to demonstrate for you how the Whizbang wheel hoe can eliminate weeds in a compacted stone driveway, just like it can eliminate weeds in a garden. Now, those of you who have watched my videos or perhaps read my blog know that I came up with the Whizbang wheel hoe design back in 2009. And for many years I sold kits for people to put together their own Whizbang wheel hoe. This one here is the one I keep in my Planet Whizbang International headquarters, which is right there. And it's for display purposes only. This is a particularly nice example, nicely painted up with beautiful handles and not used. That's a Whizbang wheel hoe at its best. And this right here is my very first prototype. I never really painted it up very well, and it's the bolts sticking out here. It's quite rusty, but you know what? I use this. I use it a lot, and I kind of like using the prototype. It's kind of a sentimental thing, I guess. I should mention that I do not sell the parts kits anymore. I have a video here where on YouTube where I show how to put a Whizbang wheel hoe together. I have a video on how to make the handles, and I sell plans, specifications, so you can make your own Whizbang wheel hoe if you like. And I do sell, however, the blades, the spring steel blades. I have a pretty good supply of those still on hand. When I first made this wheel hoe, I came out into my driveway here and I used it in the driveway to eliminate weeds. And it worked so well doing that I realized this thing is good enough for any soil. And this was like the ultimate test, the driveway. So that's what I'm going to do right now. We're going to take the prototype, the old wheel hoe here, and we're going to clear some of these weeds away. You can see that my tire here is flat. These pneumatic tires, they do not hold air for long, and I recommend now that the no flat tires be used for this purpose. But even with a flat tire, this thing works fine. I don't even worry about getting air in it anymore. So the idea here is to just undercut the weeds. See that? And I don't know how practical this is, to wheel hoe your whole driveway, but it can be done. And this just shows you that it can be done. Okay, so you undercut those weeds and they're going to die. You don't have to pick them up or anything, just let them die and stay right there. So there you go. Whizbang wheel hoe versus gravel driveway weeds. And the wheel hoe wins. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.